today, sir. Today we will learn how to calculate the first quartile for growth data. Let's go through the process step by step. Let's take a look at the data we will be working with. We have a frequency distribution table with a class interval and CF frequencies. We will start with the frequency of the lowest scores. Now the lowest scores are 20 to 24. The frequency of 20 to 24 is 4. We're just going to copy the 4. That is your first CF. And then how can we get the next CF? So we're just going to add the 4 and to 6. So the next CF is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 7 is 30. So that's how we can get the cumulative frequency. Now, sa baba ng cumulative frequency, it should be equal to total of number of quick frequency. So how did we get the 30? So you are just add all. Now to solve the problem, we just follow the formula, which is
Hala, na.
we first find n over 4, where n is the total number of observation. In this case, so n is 30. The first step is (30) divide 4 equals 7.5. This means that quartile 1 is the 7.5 value in the cumulative frequency column. Now let's take our cumulative frequency column to find where the 7.5 value falls. Looking at the cumulative frequency column, we see CF4 for class 20 to 24. 7.5 is not here. And here in the CF10 for class 25 to 29. 7.5 is here. Kaya dool sa 10. So this is our quartile plus 1. Since 7.5 falls in the cumulative frequency of 10, the quartile class interval is 25 to 29. Now that we know quartile 1 is in the class 25 to 29, let's identify the values we need for the formula. So to get the lower boundary, we have to get the lowest score of quartile class with. So to get the lower boundary, we have to get the lowest score of the quartile class, which is the 25. 25 minus 0.5 equals 24.5. 24.5. Next, we're going to get CFB. CFB is cumulative frequency from above. Now, since the CF of our quartile 1 is 10, so above the CFB 10 is 4. And now, I is the interval. So we're going to find interval here. So the interval here in the 20 to 24 is 5 because 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the interval is 5. And then F is the frequency of quartile 1 class, that is 6. Now all of our value is complete, so we're now going to get the quartile 1. Seven point five minus 1 equals 3.5 over 6. 3.5 times 5 equals, divide 6 to 91. So, yan na, ulit siya. 2.92. So that is our quartile 1. This means that 25% of the students scored below 27.42. So that's all. Thank you for listening.